So we got this truck slide on auction, and looks like most of, if not all, the bracketry is there. But I gotta take a tape measure to it and find out if it'll fit back here. And if not, we'll trim it down some and see what we can do to make it fit. But I think that thing will be awesome. All right, yeah, fuck yeah. This whole thing is modular. So to shorten it, we just need to unbolt this section and move it forward, rebolt it down to the plate, unbolt this bolt, this plate, and these, and all that can be moved up, and then just cut the end of this off, unbolt this back cap, cut this aluminum here off, and we can just move this cap back up to here. This whole thing is maybe a night worth of work, and I can have this whole thing shortened up. That gives me a decent chunk of aluminum to fuck with, though. That's pretty sweet. got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 more holes, 2 big ones. Because those ones are the ones that hold those big rollers on the back. Okay. So let's flip this one, or mark this one, and flip it over and drill these. There. There. 16th French drill. Looks like that's gonna fit. So we need to move that up to match those other chunks that I cut off the other side. 9 1/8. Trim that off. Re-drill this hole and this hole and these holes. All of this needs to move up 9 1/2 inches. The drill's getting hot, baby. like that. Just like that. There's one. There's the other. Yeah! Alright, let's get some washers and some pins on those. The question is do I back my Yukon to where we started? Except like 9 1/8 inches shorter. So if I pull on this, it should be locked. Okay. And then reach my hand in here, pull on that lever. Just like that. It's officially shorted. So now I guess the question is do I back my Yukon in tonight? Do I back the Yukon in tonight, clean it out, yeah, so I just got to secure the front of that down to the seat bracket. How fucking cool is that?